You too, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Doc Barber Jacobs, and today I'm gonna show you how to zero gap and ceramic blade swap Kemei 1972. I posted a review video on the last week, so if you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. And as you can see right here, the original blade has such a large gap between the top and the bottom moving blades. So the first thing first, I'm gonna disassemble these blade sections from the body. So I'm gonna unscrew these two screws right here. Make sure not to lose it and put them aside because we're gonna need it later. Alright, so after disassemble these two parts, so what we're gonna do is there are another two screws attached, because this is basically a screws that holds top and bottom blades together. So make sure you unscrew them and take it out. Top blade, I just like brush it out and move all the hair, just make sure everything's clean, and it's kind of better just to watch rather than me explaining. I'm taking out the ceramic blade part, and there this like black, I don't know what it's called. It's like black, like some supporting parts, right, attached. So you just pull it out. So you can also separate these two parts, as you can see right here. So what we're working on is this small blade right here. There are some, I don't know what it's called. There's some tiny parts, right? Basically, you wanted to take it out like this. Just watch the video. It's much easier if you just watch it. Just take them out, and then, yeah, it's kind of hard. But then you take it out, as you can see right here, and then swap it with ceramic blade or any, if you have Andis Pro liner blade or something like that, it should fit with these like 3 holes. So just like clip them together like this. It's taking a little time, but clip them together and basically put back everything with the way it was before. Make sure those two like parts are like kind of like fitting into the hole or like the section. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah. And yeah, so we're putting back this smaller, the bottom blades to the top blades, and this is how we zero gap. So the first thing first, you want to screw the bottom side. The one I'm pointing out right now. You unscrew them a little bit, not all the way though. Like you unscrew them enough that you can still move it around, but it's not like easy to just like move it by itself. And make sure you screw them both like firm enough. You see their tiny gap, right? So it's not all the way. So I'm just adjusting with my hand. Sometimes you need like a force, but I'm adjusting in a way that it is zero gapped. So zero gap meaning it's not completely zero, like the blades are like on skin, but we just want to give it like 0.1 millimeters, something like that. Tiny little space, enough so that you don't hurt your clients or your own skin. And then hold the blade like very hard so it doesn't move, and then screw them back strong and tight. And if there are any like movement caused because of you screw them, make sure you use your force back again and hold them together and screw them back again. So yeah, basically I don't know if I explained it correctly, but I think it's better if you just watch my video. I think the visual is better than just me explaining by words. But I don't know how to explain it. But so basically you just have to adjust it with your hands while the blades are not moving by itself, and you have to screw them tight. basically it. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And I hope to see you very soon. Boos!